In this video, you will learn how to merge cell in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here, I have merged these 4 cells into one cell, while in second row, you can see here, these are 4 separate cells. Remember that if you want to merge cell, then these cells should be blank or only one cell contain data. For example, currently you can see here, these are the 4 cells and each cell contain text. So we cannot merge these cells and Excel shows warning sign. For example, I will select this one. You can see here I have selected these 4 cell. Now if I go to merge cell, select this one, and you can see here the Excel shows warning sign that merging cells only keeps the upper left values and discard other values. So for merging cell, remember that your cell should be blank or only one cell contain the text, other cell should be blank. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Now I want to merge these cells so the text appear in this row. For that purpose, I will select all these 3 cells. Now you can see I have selected these 3 cells. Now in Home tab you will find the option of alignment group, and in alignment you will find the option of merge cell. Click here and you will find 4 options. First one is merge and center, second one is merge and across, third one is merge cells, and fourth one is unmerge cell. So you can select merge and center or merge cell, either one. I will select merge and center. Now you can see here the select text is in center and these cells are merged into one cell. Now we will see other option. I will go to this and I will select all these cells and go to merge cells, and here you will find the option of merge across. If you select this option, then all these cells will change into horizontal rows. For example, I will click on merge across. Now you can see here these cells are changed into rows. You can write your comments or any other things. So that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.